Hi children, I hope you all are doing well. So all this day we have been doing many fun activities, like you would have done some interactions with your teacher like Bhumika ma'am and myself, and you would have done all about me and all about math, where you have described yourself using numbers. So now it's time to go into the IB. Let us see what is there in IB. So you can see there are 6 themes over here, isn't it? There are 6 themes. You would have been familiar with this already because last year you would have learned healthy lifestyle, which falls under who we are, and generations, where you learned about the olden places, grandmother, grandfather, all that which comes under where we are in place and time, signs and symbols. Okay, so all this comes under a theme. But do you think we will learn the same topic again and again? No, yes, you're right. So, we'll be learning different topics, okay? The themes will be the same throughout your grade 5, but the topics will be different, okay? So, you can see there are 6 themes. It is called as transdisciplinary themes, okay? Now, you will be wondering, what is the big word transdisciplinary? Children, I will tell you, it's very easy, okay? Transdisciplinary means you will be not only learning unit of inquiry in this, you will be learning all the subjects together in this. For example, you will be learning literacy, you will be learning social, you will be learning science, you will be integrating math into it, where you put some numbers and do that, and you will be integrating PE also, physical education. Everything comes under this, but you won't know that we are learning about this, okay? Apart from that, you can also see that there are some descriptions given for the themes. For example, first one is who we are. Why do we want to know who we are? In first grade, you learned about healthy lifestyle, isn't it? In that you covered what are the healthy lifestyle choices, how to stay healthy, how to avoid junk food. That day in demo class you would have told us, right? We avoided eating pizza, we don't eat burger, because that is the action that you have taken. Now, under who we are, this year we are going to learn about your talents and your interests. It's not about anybody else, it's about only you, okay? So, under who we are, we will be learning about yourself, your mental health, your physical health, okay? What is your like, what is your dislike, everything. So, that is the first thing. Next is how we organize ourselves. Now, what is the meaning of organize? Do you know? Yes, you all clean your houses, you all clean your rooms, right? You keep it tidy and clean. That is organize. Okay. So, how we organize ourselves? What are the things we do to organize ourselves? It is not only about cleaning. Okay. For example, in your family, if you see, there will be a head of the family. Always we used to call them grandfather, grandmother. Someone will be head of the family. If they are not there, we call your dad as head of the family. So, that is also organization, where people are there, hierarchies are there, many people will be there and we will be obeying them, right? So, that is there. Next, how the world works. Here, mostly you will be learning about machines, okay? This year you are going to learn about simple machines like screw is there, spanner is there, all those things are machines, isn't it? We use machines. Without machines, we cannot live. So, we are going to learn about how the world works. We are going to learn about simple machines, only simple machines. It's a very easy chapter, okay? Next is how we express ourselves. Now, you know how do you express yourself? Only when you speak you express yourself? No, it's not like that. You can find in your classroom itself, some kids will be very quiet, isn't it? They won't be talking to you. But does that mean that they are not expressing themselves? No. You can check their notebook, they would have drawn something. You know, they are like that. They love to express themselves through drawing. I love to express myself through dance, okay? So these are the things how you express yourself. Like you can speak, you can sing, you can draw, you can do all the artworks, all the dance, music, drawing, everything comes under how we express ourselves. So expressing means what? Telling your feelings, showing your feelings outside, showing your emotion. You're sad, you're angry, you know, all those. So for that we need this theme, how we express ourselves. Next is sharing the planet. It is very interesting. My favorite theme is sharing the planet because this is very important. Now, in the lockdown, you would have seen that our earth has changed a lot. You can see that ozone layer has got a hole and it is not there now because we didn't travel anywhere for 3 months. We were all sitting inside the house. We didn't drive the vehicle. No pollution is there. All the river is clean. So did you see that? So that is sharing the planet. How it is sharing the planet? See, am I the only person who is using the planet? No. You are using the planet. Animals are using. Birds are using. Small insects are using. Bacteria is using. Okay, so everyone is using the planet. So can I say that earth is only mine? Can I say that? No, I cannot say that earth is only mine. Everybody has to share the resources. For example, when you are drawing something inside your house or inside the class, you don't have an eraser. What will you do? you will get it from your friends. So they share the things with you. That is sharing, isn't it? The same way we have to share our planet. Which is our planet? Earth. So we live inside the earth, so that's why sharing the planet. Here we will be learning about how to share the resources, like how to use the tree properly, how to use the water without wasting, how to use the electricity without wasting, isn't it? So all this will be sharing, learning in the sharing the planet. Next is where we are in place and time. So in your grade 1 you learnt about generation. Now you are in different generation, your grandparents are in different generation, you would have learnt that. Now in this year we will be learning about solar system. It's very interesting, children. We will be learning about all the planets, sun, moon, everything, stars, you know, all these are interesting themes, okay, and the topics inside this are really very good, okay. So today's activity, what I want you to do is, you have to write the theme in the center of a paper. For example, if you are writing who we are, you have to draw or write whatever comes inside that, okay. You have to draw and write whatever you feel when you say who we are, whatever comes inside your mind, you have to draw or write. Again I am telling, it is not a compulsion that you have to only write, you can draw also. It is also a type of expressing yourself, okay. So don't worry about that. Next, how we organize ourselves. So you have to write all the theme in different circles, and around it you have to draw or write whatever comes in your mind. I hope you will enjoy doing this, okay children. So I want you to stay happy, stay safe, and bye for today.